Bonjour. This is precisely the word that we are going to learn today. Bonjour. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to greet people, which is saluer in French. Bonjour means hello, good morning, or good afternoon. Bon means good, and jour means day, so it literally means good day. Okay, let's pronounce the word now. Repeat after me. Bonjour. Bonjour. Be careful with the pronunciation of the nasal vowel on. Bonjour. You don't have to pronounce the N like in an English word. You have to say bonjour. Be careful with the R sound too, which is also very different from English. It's like a gargling type sound in the throat. Bonjour. Bonjour. A typical mistake is to write bonjour in two words, so be careful, you have to write it in just one word. There are other words to say hello in French. Salut and bonsoir. Salut means hello or hi. It's an informal way to say hello. Be careful with the pronunciation. You don't have to pronounce the final T, and the letter U is pronounced U. Salut. Bonsoir means good evening. Once again, be careful with the pronunciation of the nasal vowel on. The letter O plus the N is pronounced on and not on. So you have to say bonsoir. Bonjour and salut can be used at any time of day, but bonsoir is used only in the afternoon, from 5 p.m. onwards. The expressions bon matin or bon après-midi don't exist, so never use them to greet someone. So, now that you know how to greet people, we can add some more words. Bonjour, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Très bien, merci. Which means, hello, how are you? I'm doing well, and you? I'm very well, thank you. Okay, now repeat after me. Bonjour, ça va? Oui, ça va. Et toi? Très bien, merci. Now let's see another example. Salut, tu vas bien? Très bien, et toi? Ça va. Which means, hi, how are you? I'm good, and you? I'm good. Now repeat after me. Salut, tu vas bien? Très bien, et toi? Ça va. Now let's see one last example, a more formal one. This time we're going to use vous, which is the formal you instead of tu, the familiar or informal you. You see, there are two types of you in French. When you talk to friends or close people, you use tu. But when you don't know the person, you must always use vous. Bonsoir, vous allez bien, monsieur? Très bien, merci. Et vous? Très bien. Which means, good evening, sir, how are you? Very well, thank you. And you? Very well. Now repeat after me. Bonsoir, vous allez bien, monsieur? Très bien, merci. Et vous? Très bien. Now let's do a little exercise. Can you say which sentences are wrong? Numbers 2, 3, and 6 are the wrong ones. In number 2 and 3, bonsoir and bonjour are written in two words. In sentence number 6, the problem is that salut is informal, but vous is formal. So it should have been salut, tu vas bien? Okay, so that's all for this first lesson. Hope you enjoyed it. Au revoir, which means goodbye, and it's one of the words you'll see in the next lesson.